Imagine this. You meet someone new.
You want to speak English, but you feel shy.
You don't know what to say first.
This is called small talk.
Small talk is simple and friendly conversation.
It is not deep, it is easy and short.
Today we will learn small talk in English.
You can use it every day.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello friends, welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today we practice small talk in English.
Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Let's start with greetings.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
I am good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Listeners, repeat.
Nice to meet you.
Great. Now, simple small talk questions.
Very useful.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
I live in a big city.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Listeners, repeat.
I like my job.
Excellent. Now, talking about the weather.
Easy topic.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny.
Yes, it is sunny.
It is very hot today.
It is very hot today.
Yes, it is hot.
Yes, it is hot.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
Yes, it is very cold.
Yes, it is very cold.
Listeners, repeat.
The weather is nice today.
Good. Now, talking about daily life.
Okay.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am working.
I am working.
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
Yes, I am a little busy.
Yes, I am a little busy.
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and read books.
I watch movies and read books.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Listeners, repeat.
I watch movies.
Excellent. Now, talking about likes.
Everyone likes this topic.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea?
No, I don't like tea.
No, I don't like tea.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
That sounds delicious.
That sounds delicious.
Listeners, repeat.
My favorite food is pizza.
Great. Now, talking about weekends.
Fun topic.
What do you do on weekends?
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
I relax and meet friends.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
Do you go out often?
Do you go out often?
Yes, sometimes I go out.
Yes, sometimes I go out.
Listeners, repeat.
I relax on weekends.
Good. Now making small conversations.
Practice time.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Another small talk.
Okay.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Me too.
Great.
Another one. What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
That sounds good.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat.
I read books.
Excellent. Now let's review.
Review time.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I relax on weekends.
I relax on weekends.
Excellent work today.
You learned small talk in English.
Small talk helps you start conversations.
Practice every day.
Do not be shy.
Speak simple English.
Comment below.
Try small talk in English.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.